So today we're going to unbox the Mechanic iCharge 8 Pro. We're going to show you what it does, how it works, and why you need to get one. So this brand has been around since 1928. A lot of people don't know that, but we're going to go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So we're going to tell you what it does and how it works. And let's see, it does have wireless charging also. We're going to go ahead and toss that over there. This is going to be the cable. Toss that over there. And the box itself would be here. Toss that over there. It's very nice, stylish. Let's go ahead and peel this backing. There we go. Well, basically what it does is it will allow you to charge multiple devices at the same time. But not only that, while it's charging, it's also going to read out the voltage and the amps, and we'll tell you why that's important. And then also, you have a USB-C charger at 18 watts, and on top of it, you have a wireless QI charger. The USB 3C, this one here, the QC3, go ahead and connect this on the back and show you with some connected devices what we're going to get. So this will connect to the back either way, I believe. Let's see. Nope, it'll only, well, let's see. Yeah, it'll go in either way. So we're going to connect that to our electrical. And so besides it being a charger, which will charge all these up to 8 different connections if you count the top 9, what else does it do? So let's go ahead and start connecting devices that are charging to it. So we will start with the top, and we are going to plug in an iPhone. It's a broken iPhone, but anyway, let's see. So it's telling you that on bank 1, you see that number 1 at the bottom? It's reading 5.2 volts, 1.2 amps, and it can fluctuate. But you can see that where at the bottom it's reading bank 1. So just for experimental purposes, let's use bank number 6. And we're going to take a Samsung Galaxy S8, plug it in there. It's charging. And now it'll tell you on bank number 6 when, see now what it will do is it will toggle between bank 1 and bank 6. And if I take it out, now it will only read bank 1. Let's connect it back on again. So when it's there, that's your actual amps. So it's not charging very fast, and it could be because the phone is 94% charged anyway. But let's try something. Let's put it on the fast charger, on the bottom one, and see what kind of a readout we get. That would be bank number 8. Now you can see that the voltage is a little higher. There you go, 9.1 volts. And it says charging fast. You see that right there? So it'll fluctuate, it'll toggle between the two, just so it'll tell you on the screen whatever it's reading is based on which of the bottom ones has the little marking on top of it. That has the marking there, and now this one has it, and it'll just go back and forth. Now let's connect something else to it. Well, you know what? Let's see. Let's put it on the wireless charger up top. There we go. So it will then tell you that little logo on the bottom right, wireless charging, and it's charging at, it'll fluctuate between 6 watts. I saw all the way up to 7 there. There we go, 8.6, 7.9. So it'll fluctuate depending on the device. That's pretty cool too, that you have all this and the wireless charging. Now, what is it going to replace for you? Obviously, it's going to replace a bunch of plugs and chargers. You'll replace a bunch of these because you won't need the actual block. It's all there. So think about how much money you'll save on these. And then if you are also trying to figure out what the voltage is on a specific device or phone, you're probably using one of these, which tells you the voltage and the amps. So you pretty much don't need these anymore if you have this. It pretty much replaces all that. And you're going to get it in one block. As you can see, it's actually smaller than a Samsung Galaxy S8. This is an iPhone 5S, I believe. It is about the size of an iPhone 5S. And actually, it is about the same size this way too. And up top, about the same as a Galaxy S8. So it's not really big and bulky. It's small, compact, and it gets the job done. Imagine all the possibilities you have. If you want to use a fast charge, if you want to charge a phone fast, just use the green one at the bottom. These are all regular, or you can use the USB-C to USB-C. So if you have one of those USB-C and your phone is also USB-C, or like the iPad Pro, which is USB-C, you can just plug it in there and use that. So you actually have 8 in the top and then the wireless charger up top, I'm sorry. So you have 8 in the front and 1 at the top, 9 total. Again, it just plugs right in using the cable that it brings, but you don't need to worry about having all kinds of blocks and all kinds of these little devices that you need to have to figure out the voltage and the amps for every device. You have it all right there on a display for you. So again, this is the iCharge 8 Pro. I will post a link in the description where you can get it. Right now it's about less than $30. It depends on the shipping, because right now shipping has gone up a little bit, but give or take around $30, $35, I would say. And you can get something that's going to replace. I don't know what these cost anymore. I haven't bought them in a while, but I believe they're about $12 a pop, $10 to $12 depending on where you get them. So think about all the, right there you probably have $30, and then all the blocks, you know how much they cost. So you can have it all in one place and just use your genuine iPhone or Apple cables and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.